Okay, here's one more thing that I wanted to show you that I just basically discovered by playing around this. You can change the site settings if you go to this hamburger menu and then go to site settings, and here you can choose your favicon, which is basically this small little icon like this GrooveFunnels logo here, or like this Cadra logo that I have here, or basically my find focus logo, which I will set for this. So you just click here, and then Groove, like these uh, yeah ads made free will have my nice little logo here. And then font, you can also set the main font for everything. So we had Montserrat, so I will set this here as well. So this is pretty cool. And then you can also add an open graph image. So if people share this page, I can upload another image, and let's see if I can find my GrooveFunnels Fast Start-Course here, ads made free, upload this one. So it will look a little bit nicer if you share, or if I share this website with somebody. And then I will just add this here, select, and then I have an open graph image here, and then I can copy paste this here to the open graph as well. Let me see. Now my recording gets in the way. So go to site settings, open graph here, choose image like this one, select, and then you can also have the open graph title here, which does not copy paste, but build a profitable business with free Facebook ads. Probably I make this learn how to build a profitable business. So which is basically the hook, and then I just click OK. And now if we open, if we publish this and we open this in a new incognito browser, we should see the open graph image here at some point, like our favicon. No, it's not yet published. Now we have it here next to my face. And this is how you add this small little detail as well. So just wanted to show you this, and because I think it's pretty cool. And here you can also add some tracking stuff if you're a fan of this. I do not have this set up right now, but this is another cool thing I just wanted to show you.